Hi guys, today I'm here to introduce you to the new bold flagship product, the Infinite. The Infinite is made out of high quality alloys coated with smooth satin UV paint, powered by 480 polyamide battery that allows a full charge in just 25 minutes. This special device comes with an adjustable high and low power mode compatible to many different brands of pot available in the market now. Other than the safety features like vibrator, warnings, LED charging indicator, it also comes with a LED lights function that lights up whenever you smoke. Currently, there are a total of 5 different colors with 18 wonderful pot flavors to choose from. So now, let me teach you simple steps to how to operate the products. By default, for low power mode, simply insert the pot into the device. To switch to high power mode, simply disconnect the pot from the device 3 times. At the same time, you will also see 2 bars on the LED panels. Okay, so now, to switch back to low power mode, simply repeat the same steps. Disconnect the pot 3 times from the device. Now you only see 1 bar. Alright, now let me show you the simple step of how to activate the LED light mode. To activate the LED light mode when we are smoking, simply disconnect the pot 2 times from the device. 1, 2. So now, the LED lights will light up whenever you smoke. Next, to activate the LED lights continuously on even without using the device, simply disconnect the pot 2 times from the device. 1, 2. Alright, now you will see the LED lights will continuously on even without using the device. To switch off the LED lights, simply repeat the same step. Disconnect the pot from the device 2 times. 1, 2. Now, you can see the lights are already off. Hope you enjoyed the device. Thanks for watching the video.